All right, so how do I add a table in Microsoft Word Online? It pretty much works the same way as the desktop version of Microsoft Word. You're going to go to Insert, and let me move this out of the way. We're going to go to Table, and it's a matter of knowing, okay, how many different columns and rows do you need? Make sure, first of all, your cursor, you've already clicked where you want that table to appear. So let's say we went to insert, we clicked on table, and then right now it would give us at this point one column and two rows. So let's say I wanted three columns and two rows. I'm going to click on it. And there it is. So columns go down, remember, and rows go across. So now we have our columns and our rows. And notice it opened up two new tabs. It opened up a table design tab and a table layout. We can change the design, the color, and all of that. You can play with that. If you click the drop down, if you notice, it'll give you all these other different options of colors that you would want to add to your table. Be careful with colors though when it comes to scholarly writing. Okay, be very careful with that. I'm gonna go to the table layout, and this is a little different though when we get into the settings of a table. It's a little different from what the desktop version is. On the desktop version, you can come right out here. I'm getting ready to show you how to add another row, but there's still options here that I notice on the ribbon where you can still add, like if you needed to add another row. So I'm going to come, I don't think it really matters what cell we click in. I'll just click in that first one and I'll go to insert. Notice it says insert row below. So if I wanted to insert a row below, I'm going to click on that. See what happened. If I needed to insert a column between these two columns, you have to be in this cell location, or if I wanted to insert. So let me make sure you can see it. And then I'll put different letters in here. So if I wanted to insert a column to the right, and that is between, notice first of all, go back, that we're here. You have to click in here, and I want to tell Word Online, of course, to insert a column between these two columns. So again, you click first, and then we're going to go here. We're going to insert column to the right. See that? So it added a column between these two columns. And again, it works the same way with rows. If I need to add more rows between, or if I wanted to add a row below, you saw those options. That's under table layout and then insert. So if I needed to insert a row below, then it adds another one. All right. So it's just that easy. It's not difficult. You can manipulate again or edit. Let's say if I wanted headings up here, you can make sure those headings are centered. If you come here to the paragraph settings and click on center, you can center those headings or any other data that you want to center inside of a table. So it's just that easy. That's how you insert a table in Microsoft Word Online.